and welcome to our channel, where your home dreams become a reality. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most critical aspects of buying a home, and that's understanding the condition of your potential new home and evaluating renovation costs. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to invest, this is for you. So let's embark on this journey together. When you're eyeing that perfect home, it's not just about the location or the size. It's about peeling back the layers to understand what you're truly investing in. The condition of a home and the cost to make it your dream space are pivotal in your decision-making process. First things first. Never underestimate the power of a thorough home inspection. Very important. It's the flashlight that illuminates every nook and cranny, revealing what might need your attention now and what might become an issue down the line. From the foundation to the roof, understanding these elements is crucial. But it doesn't stop there. Once you know what you're dealing with, it's time to talk numbers. Renovation costs can vary widely, and it's essential to prioritize. Ask yourself what needs immediate attention and what can wait for down the road. Is it a cosmetic change or a structural necessity? Big difference. These questions will help you create a budget that aligns with your vision and your finances. But here's the silver lining. Renovations allow you to personalize your space, potentially increase the home's value, and in some cases, save you money in the long run, like if you add solar. It's about making informed decisions that balance your desires with practicality. Remember, every home has its quirks and its charms. It's about finding a balance between the two that works for you. Don't shy away from homes that might need a little TLC. Sometimes they're the ones that turn into the most cherished spaces. So whether you're dreaming of knocking down walls to create an open concept living area or updating that 1970s kitchen into a modern culinary space, know that with the right approach, anything is possible. Embrace the journey of making a house your home with a bit of insight and planning. You'll find that addressing the condition and renovation costs head-on will lead you to make some of the best decisions of your life. I'm Tom Olsewski with eXp Realty. Don't forget, we're here to guide you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, share, and subscribe below for more insights. Until next time, happy house hunting.